Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can enable the portrait mode or portrait view for your presentations in Google Slides really quickly, like you see in this example presentation here. So drop a like, follow my instructions, and now let us get started. So as you can see, guys, it is super simple. What you will need to do is, for example, click on File here in your Google Slide, and after that, select Page Setup from that drop-down menu. And here we'll see the current page setup or resolution or aspect ratio, which is in this case here, widescreen 16:9. So if you'd like to change that, click on that arrow down icon and select the custom setup here, the custom ratio, aspect ratio, and here to the right, select pixels instead of inches. And after that, in the last step, simply enter the resolution 1080 pixels by 1920, which is usually the portrait view, confirm by clicking on apply here. And after that, the following aspect ratio is going to be applied to all of your slides, not only to this selected one, but to all of your slides. And that's basically it for it. In some cases, it may be necessary to adjust some elements of the given slide to position it better because it may not fit properly into that new aspect ratio, but that's up to you guys. Play around with this. That's basically how it works. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.